Good morning. We're on the British pound, Japanese yen this morning with Proteus Ultra, looking at a fully long focus across multiple time frames, with the exception of the M30. 1, 5, and 15 have now turned blue, with the M30 due to turn blue shortly here. Now, it looks like a fairly long breakout, but we have the leading indicator on the right-hand side, also indicating a high probability long side continuation. So we will shoot for a 30-minute trade, roughly 35 minutes in this case, since that's the closest expiry. A high trade for $1,000 and an 85% payout. We are into the trade now. Let me just zoom in on the chart here and bring it into full view. The chart is now open. The trade has been executed and we are in for a 35 minute expiry here. The trade has been taken based on multiple time frames agreeing with the long view, as well as the right hand side leading indicator also suggesting a long side continuation. All right, back again, roughly 18 seconds remaining on this sterling yen trade. As you can see, price has broken into the intended direction, which was long. Also notice M30 has turned blue. M1, M5, and M15 had successively turned blue at the time the trade was taken. M30 was all that was remaining. Plus the leading indicator on the right-hand side was also pointing to the same direction, that is long. Everything was aligned. Proteus Ultra is really powerful in these situations and exhibits the highest probability opportunities when you have such alignment. And we took the trade as a result on this pair here, GBP JPY, for a 10:30 expiry, roughly 34 minutes and some seconds, and have expired in the money now. So the trade, once it's calculated expiry, we probably have another opportunity here if this stays long. Or short. We'll see how it's progressing until this expiry happens. Once the funds are released, we'll go back to the charts, see if we have another opportunity, and if we do, we will engage. With Proteus Ultra, you have two strategies in play. You have the multi-time frame confluence at the very top, and you have Proteus Ultra's proprietary leading indicator on the right-hand side over there, exhibiting the leading analysis telling you long or short alignment. Now, with the next opportunity, we have expired, we have had the funds released, so we're going to see if we can take another opportunity here. Let's refresh the chart. We are looking at a short side move, and once we load up the template again here, we're looking at M1 pointing to the downside. Now, this is an example of retracement underway. As you can see, price is breaking down to the short side as well. What we'll do now is execute a counter trend trade, even though we are in a long-term trend. This is a slightly more advanced strategy for those people who are used to counter trend trading and, more importantly, used to risk management, time management. We will execute a shorter trade in terms of time for 10-minute expiry here, a 10-minute expiry here based off Proteus also suggesting that we are in retracement mode with the leading indicator pointing to the downside, as well as M1 having freshly turned red. So we're into the trade now. We'll come back to you just before expiry. All right, back again on this counter trend move. This time we've dipped into entry, retraced out of entry, dipped back in, and price has found a lot of resistance at that entry point, as was suggested by Proteus Ultra. Now, this is a counter trend trade. It was against the longer term long trend, which in this case we took because the leading indicator on the right hand side exhibited a short side focus. Plus, we also saw the M1 time frame temporarily go red. That is an indication that we are looking at a short-term retracement. We took the retracement as a counter-trend move, but assigned a shorter time because with retracements of this nature, they normally last a lot shorter a time frame compared to the longer-term moves in the direction of the trend. Now, counter-trend trading is an advanced strategy, and with Proteus Ultra, it is less challenging to engage in counter-trend trading. But it does require a bit of practice. So once you get more comfortable with counter trend trading on any time frame, Proteus Ultra offers the unique advantage of giving you a leading indicator telling you if the counter trend move is likely to carry a high probability of success or not. And that is now an example today of both with trend and against trend trading on the same currency pair, one after the other, where we saw a retracement and a retracement that Proteus Ultra indicated could be a potential counter trend move, both of which we took and both of which expired in the money successfully. Thank you.